Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the phone supports NFC. Open settings and confirm model details so you avoid wasted steps. Once confirmed, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on because many apps use them alongside NFC for secure transfers. Now go to Connected Devices, find the NFC toggle, and enable it. Grant any system permissions that appear so the feature can access secure elements. This initial setup ensures the hardware and permissions are ready, which prevents problems later during transactions or pairing. Once done with basic enabling, you configure how NFC behaves by selecting the default action. Open Settings, go to Tap and Pay or the default app area, and pick the app you want handling NFC events. Next, install or update any payment or automation apps, Google Pay, bank apps, or a Tasker NFC plugin, because outdated apps often fail handoff. Then test using a known NFC tag or transit card. Tap it to the area near the camera and back. You should see the app launch or the tag read successfully, confirming the workflow. To finish, add and verify a payment card in your chosen payment app so transactions are authorized and ready to go. Make sure NFC tags or cards are placed flat against the phone's NFC coil area, usually near the top rear, and remove thick metal or magnetic cases that can block the signal. If something goes wrong, restart the phone and toggle NFC off and on. Make sure system firmware and apps are updated, and clear the app cache. These steps fix the majority of read or payment issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.